Woo. Kung Fu Woo.
Petey's pimping. He's got 2 women. But he doesn't like either of them. Because he's gay. And likes the boys. When they kiss him, he sticks his bum in the air. Petey! You guys are like a bunch of statues.
Woo not. Woo wants to be a lovebird. Get my face, yo.
I don't see you. Woo woo.
Get my face, you get
Woo woo.
Oh, I like a lovebird.
Woo woo. Hi. Oh. Hugs. Give hugs. Woo woo. Petey. Petey, Petey. Hi. Hello. Miss Red Face. What are you doing? Why is your face red? Did you murder him? No, I did not. This is not blood. It wasn't me.
Woo. She's scared.
She's alright.
She's scared. You're scaring my woo woo.
Uh-oh.
And the manly woman.
Hi.
Lily. Manly Lily. Who's bigger than Petey?
You guys make Woo look small.
Woo woo, she's shrunken down.
Petey looks so funny from this angle.
Poor woo woo, she's scared.